of rice.
Bag of rice?
Yes.
You there now?
Okay, you know what? First, give me one pint first. Let me see.
Madam, no let bag of rice you want buy.
I'll buy beans. I'll buy many things, but just let's start with the rice. Just give me a pint of rice first. It's like I'm going to get 2 bags then.
2 bags of rice?
Yes, I'll get 2
Madam,
bags.
2 bags now 70,000, but because of you, I'll give you discount.
Oh, really?
I'll give you 2 bags. Yes,
okay, I want a bag of beans actually. I don't really like beans, so you give me half bag.
Half bag of beans?
Yes.
Madam, no problem. No worry now.
Please hope you are measuring it very well.
Definitely. See now, and they even put fish.
Are you sure it's complete?
Madam, wait now. Now you want some market for me.
Oh, no, sorry.
Tell you now you deserve for you.
Everything okay?
Madam, I won't get what I don't do since we no agree for me.
Okay, please be fast and attend to me, please.
Hello?
Hello. Abare.
Yes?
It's me, Winifred. How are you now? Hey, see, what are you doing now?
I'm in the shop.
Hey, I know. See, just leave whatever you are doing now. Just come to my house.
I should leave the customer and leave everything I'm doing and come to the house.
Yes, come to my house like right now.
I'm coming. You will see me now. Give me 2 minutes. You will see me now.
Okay, you're not done with
Madam, sorry. I cannot attend to you again. Go to another shop and buy.
Why now? You kept me waiting since.
There's one shop there. They call it Mommy Mimi. Go there and go and buy. Or you go down there to Mommy Shower.
This man!
So you're not going to attend to me again?
Madam, I beg, leave my shop.
Boyfriend, we are going out, and he had decided to wear this farm, and I'm telling him this shoe is better. Okay,
bro,
this shoe and which one is more better?
Bro, I'm cool like this, okay?
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Choose for him now.
Bro, listen, you're a guy like me, okay?
Oh
It's just a simple outing, okay?
I
We're not
don't
going
understand.
far, and I said let me put on this, and she's sitting up.
Hey!
I don't understand. Why did you call me?
To help me choose palm or the shoe.
Wait. Was that why you called me?
I just
Yes.
to make a choice.
I should help come and shoe or palm. So you called me because of shoe.
Who's this guy?
So as big as you are, you don't know the one that fit you.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Oh, no.
Our bumu not too much. Our bumu not too much. Hey!
The shoe.
Bro, just your opinion, that's all.
Who is this man in the first place?
Okay.
Only God is great, and there is a way He does His own thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching that funny School 2 comedy.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And please don't forget to share among your friends and your family members.
I beg.
We love you.
We love